So today we're going to make a landscape. Our landscape is actually going to be in outer space. So the line I'm drawing right now, this is our horizon line. Underneath it is the ground, above it is the sky. So landscapes start with a horizon line. So I'm right now adding some planets that will be in the space above our ground. I'm going to make things that are small, that are far away, like this rocket. Rocket is little. That just tells us it's far away. So I'm using really simple shapes like triangles and some little baby rectangles and a circle. I'm just going to continue to add some shapes to make some more details, some designs on the rocket. You can make yours however you like. So I'm adding a ring to this planet. You probably know that Saturn has rings, but other planets have rings too. So I'm adding some designs just to make it more interesting. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little robot that's going to be on the planet here. His job is to collect samples so they can take them back to Earth and test them to see what kind of materials are on this planet. I'm just making him out of some really simple shapes as well. Now you can make yours look however you want. So I'm adding some little buttons. I need to give him some little wheels so he can move around on the planet. Then I'm going to make some little bumpy space rocks. This gives our planet texture. It shows that it has these rocky pieces and it doesn't look like it's smooth. Maybe the texture of your planet is different. Now I'm going to add some lines to make the ground, which is my foreground. Foreground is the front part of the picture where that's closest to us as we're looking at it. I'm adding the sun up in the sky. You can make another planet if you want instead. So my background, the sky, was really kind of plain, so I just added some little swirly lines up there. And now I'm using really tiny dots to make stars. So the stars in the sky are not in perfectly straight lines, so I kind of made mine random, which means they're kind of wherever they are. Adding a little bit more detail to my ground and my robot here. Oh, he needs arms and claws to collect samples. So I just made, it's almost like two little fingers on the ends. So there you go. This is our picture. Feel free to add some more things to it if you like. Our next lesson will be coloring. If we're back in school, bring your drawing with you, don't forget. We can work on it at school. And if we're at home, look for another video that talks about coloring to make things look more three-dimensional.